Emily, be polite. Okay, feed him. Good girl. Emily, maybe she's not hungry. Maybe she already ate her breakfast. Look, Emily, right here. Look, Emily. Emily, right here, my beautiful. Look. Touch is soft. Okay, soft. Soft. Okay, what do you want to look at? Oh, look at that.
You don't want to pet a goat?
Yeah. Is that a tree?
There's only like 3 goats here.
Yeah. It's a
Emily,
lot more usually, huh?
Emily,
Let's
you
go.
want to go see the elephants?
You want to go see the elephants and giraffes? Let's go. Let's go.